that was all done with the DJI Mini that I got. So if you'd like those shots, you can check it out on Amazon. If you want to do me a favor, I'm not asking you to buy, but if you want to at least make sure that I got my system working, that if you go in my description, you can click on my Amazon link. I'm trying to become an Amazon affiliate, so at least if you click on it, it'll show me that you clicked on it and it works. Kind of giving this a little tryout right now, and then we'll go ahead and get into all the stuff that I use. I'll show you everything right now in the next clip. What do we got today? Today we got, I wanted to make a video on some of the things that I use on a daily basis, if not an every other day basis, on things I use to make my YouTube videos. These are the things that I use, that I found most useful for me, that you don't really have to spend a crazy amount of money. But the stuff that I have to use, I think is really cool, and I wanted to make a little video, you know, to show anyone that's gonna either start in their own, or someone that already has their own YouTube channel, and you know, they want to see how it is using some of these products. I use this, the S20 Ultra audio it does very well, but I've been told a few times, and you know, there's been some of my buddies that do this kind of stuff, like, man, you need a mic, dude, you need a mic, and videos will be so much clearer and better. I was like, man, whatever, dude. So I saw this is a USB Type-C. You can see right here. This is a Saramonic plus UC. It is a very, very well put together little mic. So this is just the audio that's on my phone, and then when I plug it in, there's the audio that you're gonna get off of the Saramonic UC. It's straight up. I did that live. Plug it in, and then there's the audio. Now, with the use of the mic and the phone, that there is the issue where it's too heavy for the DJI 3 to balance everything. I have a solution, and if you have, or you're coming across this, then watch my solution. For starters, if you follow me on Instagram, you'll see that I don't do this. I don't do this on Instagram. It took me a while to get to this point where when I say this, I mean, you know, hold the phone, and you know, I hate seeing people, or I hate trying to be that person that's like, hey, look at me, and I hate that. But one thing that kind of got me over that hump, and what got me comfortable with doing this, was the first thing that I bought for my channel. The first thing I invested in, I spent $12. I got this suction cup mount at Best Buy, Joby, whatever it is. You know, this goes on a windshield. You can put it, and then you can record yourself, really, in your car, in your bathroom, whatever. It's weird. And it didn't come with this. This is actually a phone mount. So this suction cup was on sale for like $10. And it had like an action camera thing right here. And this actually is for a phone. You see the little tabs fold out. I made this because I saw there was a little phone stand. It was like a little phone, little tripod. And I was like, I almost want to bet that the threads on this phone tripod are the same thread. It's the same thread pitch as going to be on the suction cup, and they were. So I ended up buying the little phone tripod right here. I took the attachment off of it and put it on this suction cup mount for the action camera, for a GoPro or whatever. And for $12 or $14, I got me this. And when I'm able to, you know, put this on the screen or the window or whatever, and sit here and, you know, not hold a camera. I got that on camera. I got that on camera. The Tahoe knows. The Tahoe knows. That was weird. That was like... That was weird. That was like the lock actuator. But these are manual lock. Then the second thing that I wanted that actually got plugged in, I got plugged by Stan, by Super Stan. You can go ahead and follow him on Instagram and on YouTube. He's on the road to 6,000 subscribers. He's going up real big. I'm trying to do the same. Give him a follow. He's going up there real big. He actually hooked me up because I was at the point where I was doing videos and I was like, man, you know, I think I want a gimbal. And he's like, bro, I got this basic gimbal, whatever. It's, you power it on, it levels the phone, and it can do all the little stuff like that. And then he gave it to me for like almost nothing. I used it and I was like, dude, this is amazing. Ran into an issue. Dan, if you're watching this, I still have it and it's in really good condition. Cliff, hey. That gimbal worked perfectly fine. When I upgraded phones, I upgraded to the S20 Ultra. That gimbal that Stan hooked me up on was not strong enough to handle the weight of the new phone with the OtterBox. Even without the screen or without the OtterBox on the phone, it wasn't strong enough. So what I went ahead and upgraded to is the DJI Osmo 3. Not really super expensive. The new one already came out and you can get these on sale on Amazon. Don't quote me, but I think you can even get these for 140, maybe even cheaper ish on Amazon. It works super well, even for a big phone like the S20 Ultra. The S20 Ultra could be compared to even like the iPhone 11 Pro, 12 Pro Max or whatever. The weight of it is fine, even with the OtterBox. And I love it. The DJI Osmo 3 has all kinds of super neat features that are in it. You can do a timed hyperlapse or a time lapse over everything. So like when I could put it on top, you could set it right here on your tailgate, record yourself washing your car, and it'll if you want it to record from here to here over the course of 20 minutes, it's going to do it in 20 minutes. It's just going to sit here and do this, and it's going to be a nice little time lapse of whatever you're going to do. Building your engine, washing your car, taking a shower, whatever it is, OnlyFans, whatever it is you're doing. But yeah, DJI Osmo 3, super awesome device. I love it. And I have a tripod, which is like $10. Not even that. So with the suction cup and the DJI gimbal, I felt like super professional. I was like, man, yo, that focus is out here. I was like, man, that's freaking awesome. Then I wanted to, I guess, give myself like kind of a birthday present a little bit, and I wanted to get a drone. Now I did not want to step into the drone world for the simple reason that it was just going to be crazy money. You can go out there and you can spend $3,200 on a super fancy 4K, freaking all kinds of freaking outer space type drones. But luckily, and if you're watching this right now, you can get them on a super good deal. Again, I went with DJI. The DJI gimbal is awesome, so I decided to stick with the same brand and the same product and use the same apps, and I went with the DJI Mavic Mini. The Mavic Mini can record in 2.7K. I think it can even go up to 4K, 1080p, 60 frames a second. Super awesome device. I love it. It's my first drone. It's the first time I'm actually getting into the whole drone video thing. You can get those on sale right now on Amazon, being that the new one is about to drop. You can get it for like $400, which if you're just starting out, it may seem like a lot. So, you know, unless you're ready for it, go ahead and buy it, but definitely way cheaper than $1,300 or $3,000 that some of these other ones can go up to. But that's it in a layout of what I use.